Hello there. My name is Kish. Kishdar Ramis. Student number A00290504. Today I'll just be showing off my MongoDB project for database systems. So this is my database. It's a library DB using MongoDB Compass. We have two collections in here. We have over 30 documents. We also have indexing, etc. So let's just look at both of them. The first collection is the authors collection. You have ID objects, name of a bunch of famous authors, their birth dates, nationalities, and their date of birth right here. So yeah. Secondly, we have also a books collection here. We can see we have object ID, we have the string, the author ID, the genre, the published year, the available copies, and the author ID. So let's just run through the queries. So as you can see, like stuff like author ID, these are stuff that we added in by using some of our queries. So if we open our shell, and I can run through the queries that we have that we made. So first things first, we're on LibraryDB. And we have, of course, basic CRUD operation. You can see this is the dot find. It shows you every object in the collection. Here we have the insert. So we inserted a bunch of authors here, starting with George Orwell, etc. And this worked as well. Here, as you can see, returns true. And then here we have the insert many. This is for books, the book collection. So we have all of these books that we insert as well. As you can see, it says that's true as well. Here we have the DB authors. We tried to insert a singular author. There you go. So we just inserted into this, and then just updating the object basically. Then finally we have a read here that queries out to this. Then we have a update one. So we target the title and update the published year. And as you can see, it ran true, matched, and it modified, which is very good. It means that query worked. Then, of course, we have the delete one, which acknowledged true, and then we deleted one. So these are my basic CRUD functionalities. Now let's move on to aggregates. So as you can see, this is our first aggregate. We sort by ID genre. We're aggregating them by genre. Total books. So as you can see with magical realism, you have one total book, dystopian 3, fantasy 3, etc. So as you can see, like science fiction 6 and stuff. The second aggregate that we have is a published year. This is a sort aggregate. So it sorts by the published year ascending. As you can see, this is what it returns. So it starts at 1932, then we go up to 34, 37, 45, etc., all the way until we reach 2003, which is the last book. Then we have another aggregate. This is to match the published year to be greater than 1950, and then we sort it by published year ascending. So now it only selects dates that are higher than 1950. So we start at 1958 here, and then it goes up all the way onto here. And then here we have another aggregate. We have an index here that we create. So this is the inclusion of indexing that's created with author ID 1. And then we have another aggregate here that looks up a author with the author ID. And as we can see here, this is what we get back. We get the authors queried. And then finally, here we try to we tried to implement sharding for the DB, but it didn't end up working out, which I will include in the document, but I will also include the code for the sharding in case I continue to work on this and figure out how it did. That's pretty much it. Here are the final tables after all the queries. This is table 1 for authors, collection 1, sorry, and collection 2. And that's it. Thank you.